You can either wait for exact confirmation, which is going to be above 121.50, which we had marked out earlier, right? So 121.50 is going to be a big one. So this would be a green light to me to the upside. Or you're going to be scalping this channel. Right now, hold on, let me draw this channel. I'm going off the top of these wicks. Here, here, here. Let me show you. This, and partially of that. Can you guys see it? So that is telling us for sure that this is going to be a level of resistance. Do you see it?
Okay.
So that's a big one, right? It's got to break that. So that's going to be our first one. Now you can see the other channel is right here. You see the bottom of these wicks. Let me get rid of this. Let me put it in. So this is the channel we're dancing in right here. Right there. Now I got that from these, this, and this. Do you see them? So right now, if you're a scalper, you can trade in this channel, right? That's the scalp play inside of the channel. If it breaks to here, we know that's going to be a nice long. We know if it breaks here, that's going to be a nice short or a put, right?
Right.
But that's the channel we're trading in. So scalpers, do your thing inside of your channel. For everybody else, there is your 2-minute confirmation EWO to the upside on Tesla. Do you see it? And this is nice too. So you've got candles, every candle's higher, right? Stair stepping. Looking good. Now, you also know if you enter this, you have a 25 to 40% until it goes green. It's probably going to go green literally as soon as it breaks the top of this candle. But of course, we want to have more action. We want to see it touch back up here around this 121. What is that? 27, and then continue to fly. You know, if it comes back down here, because you get, well, there you go. You're getting paid. Never mind. Use your stop. You're good to go. Here's the thing, and this could happen to a lot of people. You could have your stop, it went green, and you had your stop here, right? And you barely made money. And that can happen, but at least it's a green trade, right? No matter what, that was a profitable trade. But then you could be like, but coach, I wanted to get more. Well, that's okay, right? If you had a very small size, you didn't care that you bought it here and it went to here because you're like, well, that's only 10 bucks. Okay. Well, then don't put your stop here when it goes green. Allow this to work a little bit more, right? You're not worried if it goes down 10 bucks, right? Which means you can have it dance in here for a little bit until it has a big breakout. Do you see the difference? If you were heavier loaded, right? If you had 100 contracts instead of 1, well, when it goes green, I want to put a stop because guess what? That's a $500 trade. Immediately, boom, 500 bucks. You might go, well, I only got 1 and that was a $5 trade. Okay, well then don't have your stop right here. You can still allow it to come back down here, right? You still got a lot of room you can wiggle with.